Hi, it's Phil from Teachblend, and today we're going to look at how we can use Microsoft Educator Center for teachers and support staff in college. So what this essentially is, it's a website that allows you to access online CPD courses that you can use to improve your skills and knowledge of digital tools, and then they can help you with remote teaching and learning. We'll also look at how you can use learning paths, which are essentially a collection of courses together for a common goal, such as improving your accessibility knowledge. We'll also then look at how you can use Microsoft Educator Center to redeem a code. So, for example, if you've been trained by a Microsoft Master Trainer, you can actually use a code that they have given you to log CPD points. So let's have a look now at how we can use Microsoft Educator Center to complete points, redeem codes, and also download digital badges and a training transcript. I hope you find it useful. So the first thing to do is access the Microsoft Educator Center by going to education.microsoft.com. You can also search this in your favorite search engine. Click sign in, and then you'll need to log on. Now I'm going to log on using my college account, but it will access and allow you to use any Microsoft account. Once you're here, you'll see that you get a home page and it has new and noteworthy courses and resources. So a course you can actually earn points for, and you can actually complete an interactive course. And then resources are useful links, videos, and articles about various things such as remote learning. You can click on training, you can click on lesson plans, programs, and resources to directly access the information that you're after. So for example, clicking resources will show you all of the various resources in the MEC. We're going to go to training now and have a look at what's available in the course. And you'll see that this is broken down as well. So for example, here you can see that I've got some courses in progress. I've also got courses then that I have not started. And if I scroll right round to the bottom, you'll also see that I've got completed courses. You can also search any course that you like using the search bar to access a direct course, such as Microsoft Teams. Here you'll see that I'm going to click on a course now, and you'll see that this one has been completed. But you can, if you wish, go back and recomplete that course. Let's have a look now at a course that I have not yet started to see what this looks like. So here you'll see that I'm going to click on an accessibility course that I've not yet done. You'll see that you have a description, some course objectives, recognition, and you can also start the course. You'll see that the course is very simply laid out, and it normally consists of information, infographics, and more. You can click next through these courses, and you may also need to watch some videos to help train you on that particular course. You can then use the table of content to either go to the next section or go back on any section that you wish to recap. At the end, you'll then complete a course that will help you get the recognition that you're after. So for example, you might get an online badge. Once you've done this, you can also then see this course directly in your Mo profile. So here you'll see all of the courses that I've completed and the digital badges that I have earned. And you'll see that you can also see what time you completed them and more. You can even click view details to download a PDF certificate that you can put into your CPD folder or even print off. So this again, real useful way of tracking your CPD. You can also download a transcript, which is a great way of having one PDF or resource that all of your training materials are on with the duration and description of the course. So it's great to identify and show CPD, for example. If you click training and then go to learning paths, these are like a collection of courses for a common goal. You'll see again courses that you've got in progress and ones that you've not started. Let's have a look at a course that I've got in progress, such as creativity in the classroom. As you can see, you'll see all the description, and if you click resume learning path, it'll take you directly to the individual course within that path you're yet to complete. What you can also do is scroll to the bottom and you'll see the learning path outline with all of the courses. The ticks mean that I have completed that particular course in the learning path, and you can then resume the individual course to complete that full learning path. So this is a great way of collecting a group of courses together to be able to complete. You'll see here an example of the 21st century learning skills that I have done, and I have completed all that course. I end up with a lot of points, and it also gives me the recognition of completing that learning path. You can also redeem a code by clicking your profile and then entering a code in. So this, if you've been to a Microsoft event or a Microsoft trainer has done a course for you, you can log those points. Let's have a quick look at the other things that you can access. So here you'll see a calendar of webinars. So these are great online courses that you can register mainly for free, where you can then actually sit and listen and learn about the latest Microsoft tools. You can also go to lesson plans and download various lesson plans for your interactive and online sessions, and gives you some ideas on how to use Edtech and Microsoft tools. You'll also see some various program information, such as being able to apply for the Microsoft Innovator Educator status and Expert, and it'll give you a quick guide on how to access these online badges and how to do the various things that you need to do for recognition. You'll also see the Student Educator program and also the School Showcase program with information about all of those various programs that you can offer. It's also worth noticing that when you click resources, you'll be able to scroll through a list of interactive resources and guides for various things. So here you'll see planning assessment in distance learning, and you can actually go through this material. Some of these have got videos and guides to help you. I hope you found this useful. Please remember to like and subscribe to Teachblend. Thank you.